All right, we're on, what is today? Thursday, April 22nd, 2010. We're short the ES, 1189.5. We're hunting for 1185.5 on one, 1182.5 on that second. Break-even move would put it at 1187.5, around that area. Break even. Today is, like I said, Thursday. It's Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. There you go. There's your break-even move if you want it right now. There's your break-even plus 2 right there, down to 1187. First contract looking for 4 points down here. Looking for 4. This looks like has some strength to it. Basically looking double the profit target this morning on that initial contract. $11.89 is that even number, but man, even numbers in the ES are pretty common. You could hold out at 11.89 if you want to. 3-point target would be 11.86.5. Now look at this son of a gun come all the way back up. Are they in the market right now? They throwing their money at the market right now. Still no sign of stopping here. ZB still showing lots of strength. ZN showing lots of strength. No reason for the market to come back up yet. You don't want to see it retrace right now, obviously. Let's see it continue to show weakness and go on down. Watch the YM here. YM is kind of leading it. YM's leading the charge. If it can run through here, you'll see the ES follow. ZB is showing tons of strength. So it's a ZN right now. Tons of strength in the bonds and notes. This movement here is a manipulated move up at this point. Someone's buying down here, trying to support this market. Whether they can form a bottom or not, it's to be seen. But they're trying to buy down here. I believe it's a highly manipulated market right now. This market should just fall like a rock. They're just trying to slow it down a little bit. It drops, they try to slow it. It drops, they try to slow it. There's 80. There's 3 points right there if you wanted it. Still think we can get 4 on the downside right now. Might want to lock in a full point here at 1188.5. Make sure you at least get something out of it. If you're trading one contract, you might want to consider an exit here, maybe even at 2 points if you want it. 3-point target was hit at 1186.5. That's our normal target I'm hunting for. But today is kind of, I'm looking at the bars, and the bars look like they really want to run today. And that has to do with the crude oil dropping here too. Look at the big bars in crude. $11.86.25, and you see it fighting it off. So I get stopped at 11.88.5 here at a point. You had 3 points available to you down here at 11.86.5. It went through it, filled it. Still think it runs to 11.85.5. I think it has lots of more downside pressure here. Now whether it takes us out at break even here and then runs it, that could happen easily today. $11.88 here. Looks like it's going to run back up here temporarily. Out. I think you were trading one, you take 3 points from that trade. Get your target and run. Really believed it still has lots of strength to run down here, but obviously it proved me wrong. Everything gets stopped here. I mean, every time it pushes down, you can see support, 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 support. I mean, it's just, people are buying like crazy down here. I don't know who that person is that's buying, or organization. Let's just call it the PPT is in the market. Let's just assume that they're in the market today, and they're gonna try to slow it every time it runs down right now. So take what you can and get out. Okay, we ended up taking 2 trades right now. We got one in the ES that we got a point out of, and we ended up taking this spike reversal bar here for 20 ticks here, and crude. That with another trade in crude oil, we were up 31 today. So not great, not bad, but it just taking what the market's given you today. It's the way you have to trade it. All right, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Today was Earth Day, April 22nd, 2010, Thursday. We had a couple nice trades here. Crude oil for a little bit more, $200 per contract. We were able to take a 1 point out away from the ES today, and that's about it. You know, we pretty much were dodging landmines after that. Look at the crude oil market up and down, all over the place. Staying away from that. That's about it. Have a nice weekend. We'll see y'all on Monday. Bye now.